Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. In the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, June the 5th, 2021. It's weekend, and in this additional, with extra Sudokus or puzzles, we have here 7 puzzles or Sudokus. We have here the first one, the letter Sudoku. A 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and a tectonic with 1 star. Yes, total of 7 extra Sudokus, and I only do 4 of them today. The rest of the puzzles, I will do it tomorrow on Sunday, because Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will continue with the additional. Alright. So, the first one, a 3-star Sudoku, will be number 2900. Yeah, 2900. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25. I've already counted. Alright, correct me if I'm wrong. So, let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then. How about in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the last column? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in this big square. So no 7 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 7 and 6. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 6. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And I see here a 1 and a 5 in this column. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Alright. Then let me see. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 5. Alright. How about yeah. 5, 5. 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in that box. The 7 should be in this box. One box left in this row for the number 8. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. We have a pair, 7 and a 6 in this row, 7 and a 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 7 and a 6 should be in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 2 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and 8. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 8 again. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers. The 3 is missing in this big square. The 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. One box left in this big square for the number 9. All right. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes, 9 and 8. How about 6, 6. 6, 6. Well. 4, 4. 5, 5. Okay. Let me see. 1, 2, and 2, 5, and a 7. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6, the 5 and the 7. We have a 5 and a 7 in this column, so no 5 and a 7 in these two boxes. The 5 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 9. All right. Then 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 5 and 6. 5 and 6, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this column for the number 8, I believe. Yes, 8 is missing. 1, 9, and now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. 8, 2, 7. Okay. 1, 9, 2, 192. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 9, and the 2. And look, we have the 1 and the 9 here in this row. So no 1 and the 9 in this box. The 1 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Then. Let me see. 5, 5, 3. Well, the 6, 7 then. All right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, and the 7. 1, 3, and a 7. These 3 boxes in this column, 1, 3, or the 7. So the other 3 boxes in this big square are the numbers 2, 4, and 6. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. How about those 3? 2, 8, 7. 2, 8, 7. 2, 8, 7. 2, 8, 7. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. Same with the 5, 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. Yeah, it's a pair. All right. So 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Let me see. 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 1, the 9, the 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, the 2, the 7. Yeah. 2, 8, 7, 6, 7, 6. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 2, 4, 6, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 2, 2. 4, 6, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3. I think I'm stuck. 3, 3. Do I have a 3? 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 8, 7. So here cannot be a 6. 6, 6. Aha. In this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. Those 2 are 4 and a 5. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. 2 and a 4 are left in this column. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. All right. 2, 2. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 3, 5. 4. Yeah. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Then 9, 1. Let me think. 1, 3, 3, 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated the 6. So the 6 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 7. 2 and an 8, okay, 9 and a 1, 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 9. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. 1 box left in the last row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in the third column for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finishing 15 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. 3 stars. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku of today. See you then. Bye-bye for now.